Hey Sumolings, it's Jay with AppSumo, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today we're taking a look at WP Security Ninja, a WordPress plugin that secures your WordPress site with firewall protection, malware scanning, and so much more. Here's a nightmare scenario. Your website's been hacked, your customer data has been leaked, your accounts are in shambles, and your reputation is ruined, all because of a single vulnerability. Or maybe you've got the WP Security Ninja looking out for you. And all you need to do is get the install wizard. No complicated setup, just a few simple steps for a lifetime of site security. You'll be able to activate a firewall and turn on some basic security measures in a couple of clicks. After completing the initial setup, you'll get to run over 50 different security tests. These tests are designed to uncover any vulnerabilities, from minor issues to critical flaws. It's pretty straightforward. Select the test you want to run and hit Run Test. Then you can see an in-depth view of your results. And some issues come with a one-click fix, which is exactly what it sounds like, a one-click fix. It's never too early to secure your website, so grab this lifetime deal while you still can. And hey, if you buy the Tier 3 plan, you'll get access to white labeling too. Just saying. With WP Security Ninja, your firewall can filter out sketchy activities and block dangerous IP addresses. That includes 612 million IPs known to be, let's just say, not cool. This tool also uses an internal network to share and distribute threat data between all its users so everybody stays safe. Oh, and you can customize the messages that visitors see and redirect them somewhere. And with event logging, you can actually see what's happening on your site in real time. WP Security Ninja offers login form protection with features like auto banning rules, which block users after multiple failed login attempts. Plus, you can hide login errors to prevent hackers from stealing critical info and change login URLs to obscure entry points to your site. And these are just some of the security features you'll get. So click buy now to grab this lifetime deal on WP Security Ninja today and protect your site from bad actors for good.